Okay, that's the Bosque blue tomato cut in half. It looks quite like a conventional tomato, doesn't it now? Anyway, I've since discovered that that is a cross between the Oregon State University blue tomato and a tomato called Amy's Sugar Jam. And this was bred by conventional means, so there's no GMO involved in this. And it's time for a taste test now. Let's have a taste. And just cut into the lower bit there. Not bad. Pretty conventional tomato taste. A slightly different flavour. I guess that's from the purple part. Let's just try the more purple part of the fruit.